What's up YouTube fam, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. I know it's been a while since I've last put out a quality vlog, so if you're an existing subscriber then my apologies for that. But if you're new to the channel then please do consider subscribing, and I would also like to encourage you to watch this video till the end, as I'll be doing a promo giveaway under my company Advanced Import Auto Parts. So guys, do check that out at the end of this video. So as you guys will have seen in the intro, as I was driving down the road, the ABS light on my dad's Jaguar X-Type, well, let's call him a customer in this instance, it's actually been illuminated. And after running diagnostics with the auto scan tool, the DTC error code pointed to the left rear wheel speed sensor. I ended up checking the ABS ring and it didn't seem to be corroded or have any dirt trapped in it. So I suspect that the actual ABS sensor itself is the fault. Luckily I was able to contact one of my suppliers in America who does stock replacement parts for the Jaguar, and they sent me the ultra power ABS or wheel speed sensor. So I'll just flip this camera around quickly, show you guys the error code on scan tool, and then we'll get to work replacing the faulty one with the new one, and hopefully that will erase the code and we'll have ABS and cruise control working again. And just to show you guys, if anyone does have this error code popping up on the Jaguar X-Type, this will be a DIY video showing you the replacement of the left rear ABS or wheel speed sensor. So during my searches trying to actually figure out how to replace this ABS sensor, I found that there were a lot of write-ups on the forums explaining how to remove the rear seat, but no one has actually really shown it on video. So the purpose of this video is mainly to show everyone how to actually take out the rear seat, or at least to remove the lower seating area so that you can gain access to the ABS plug. So in this corner you will find underneath the seat here, there's actually a clip, as well as on the opposite side. And you basically need to push this cushion area back and pull up. So I will just do that quickly and hopefully I'll be able to show you guys. And once you get the rear seat lower portion removed, you will find a R2.20 and a female hairpin. Yeah, that 220 can definitely go towards something good. Just kidding. And these two clip things over here is basically where the ABS plug is that you need to disconnect. You will pull it through onto the other side where the wheel well is, and that will disconnect the ABS sensor, feed through the new cable into this grommet and connect to the plug, and you're good to go. And an update, it's a little bit of a fight to actually get this little bugger out once you've pushed through these retaining clips, but this is the final stretch. So just need to disconnect from the female portion and then pull it through this grommet as I mentioned earlier, feed through the new cable, and hopefully once we do another DTC and clear any error messages, that ABS light should be off. Okay, so the car is all tidied up. The new wheel speed sensor has been fitted, the rear seat replaced. So now I'm just going to start the car quickly, let it run, plug in the diagnostic scan tool again and just check whether there are any error codes that come up. But hopefully not, fingers crossed, this will be the solution to that issue that we've been picking up. And yeah, let's give it a go. Okay, so you guys can see I've started the car, that ABS light is still illuminated. So now that I've let it run, I'm just going to plug in the diagnostic tool, just do a quick scan, clear the codes, restart, and hopefully that issue will be gone.
12 seconds later.
So after running the scan tool once again and resetting the ECU, that ABS light still seems to be illuminated, so I'm going to have to get a voltmeter to do some voltage testing as well as resistance across the circuit. But that I'll leave for a later video, as I still need to go and pick one up. But as I mentioned at the beginning of this vlog, if you guys make it to the end of the video, I will be doing a promo giveaway. And we have reached that stage. So for those of you that have watched till the end, big thumbs up to you guys. Really appreciate that. And just to give you a little bit of background as to what this promo giveaway is about, I've been going through my YouTube studio and checking my video and subscriber analytics. And it seems that I have a 94% non-subscriber watch rate, which I think is extremely poor. And I need to boost those numbers. So being an automotive accessories and spares importer, I will be giving away a couple of goodies to new subscribers, and let me just explain to you guys what the process will be. I'll be leaving all the social media handles in the description below. So what you guys need to do is to click that subscribe button, and you need to take a screenshot once you have subscribed and send it via DM either in Instagram or on Facebook. So let me just flip my camera and show you guys what the first prize will be, and afterwards I will probably look at doing a few more of these giveaways in the next videos to come. So guys, do stay tuned, but also don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're finding the content to your liking, then please do like the video as well. So these are Epman Racing license plate relocation brackets, which one of you new lucky subscribers could stand a chance in winning. Just remember, if you do want to win one of these prizes, you guys need to hit that subscribe button, as well as DM us a screenshot to one of our social media handles in the description below. Prizes will have to be locally collected, or local courier is available, but remember, local courier will be for your own expense, so do keep that in mind. Till the next one guys, remember, your ball, your rules, stay motivated. Cheers.